Mandla! Amandla! Siphilele, Commander-in-Chief Silo, Julius Malema, Siphilele! Siphilele, Commander-in-Chief Silo, Julius Malema, Siphilele! Awafa bathakathi mabafe! Mabafa bathakathi be-AfriForum mabafe! Hands off our president, hands off! Hands off our president, hands off! Food tech Donald Trump, fuck off! Fuck off, Donald Trump, fuck off! Fuck off, Ramaphosa, fuck off! Fuck off, AfriForum, fuck off! Pilangona Pagade, CIC Pilangona Pagade. Thank you.
Thank you, former National Chair, and then our current National Chair, who's also been our program director, Commissar. Commissar, why are you looking at me? Come and greet one more time. I'm introducing you officially. Nontando Nonglungchungu.
Amandla! Viva! EFF, viva!
Thank you, National Chair. And then our Treasurer General, Commissar Ompile Maiotwe.
Down AfriForum, down! Down Donald Trump, down! Down Cyril Ramaphosa, down! Down with the ANC, down! Forward to economic freedom in our lifetime, forward! Kina President Julius Malema, Kina! Kina Julius Malema, Kina!
Thank you, TG, the Secretary General of the Economic Freedom Fighters, who made sure we are here today. Commissar Marshall Dlamini.
Amanda! Amanda! I saw me fight, I saw me! I saw me fight, I saw me! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live! Amanda!
Thank you, SG, and our Deputy President, Commissar Gottfried Gadi.
Thank you. Amanda! Amanda! Was our 2026 local government elections? Was our 2026 local government election? Was our Sipilele, Commander-in-Chief, Sipilele! Sipilele, Commander-in-Chief, Sipilele! Haikule, EFF, Haikule! Haikule, EFF, Haikule! Thank you very much, Ground Forces, public representatives of the EFF, members and supporters of the EFF, our guests from all other political parties with us here, the staff members of the EFF, and the Fourth Estate. I see all of them are here. My task is the most difficult task. Every time we are told it is the most simplest task. It is not very simple because AfriForum is forever convening rallies for the EFF in the Eastern Cape. We are here because of the EFF. We must ensure that EFF goes to Parliament, set up, draft, and submit a bill that will make sure that AfriForum is prohibited and is a prohibited organization in South Africa. Without much ado, President, the masses, the ground forces, South Africa and Africa, Africa in diaspora, including the White House, has been waiting for this moment to hear the message from the Commander-in-Chief, Julius Malema.